Hi everyone, you guys requested a video on all the things that I feed Sebastian on a daily basis, so we are going to do a really fun toddler feeding guide today, and it is going to involve some cars and also a really awesome giveaway, so stay tuned till the end of the video. I feed Sebastian 5 times a day, so that's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 2 snacks. We'll usually have our breakfast at 7 a.m. and for breakfast I'll give him some waffles, egg whites. He refuses to eat the yolk. Don't get me started on that. And sometimes if he's still hungry, I'll give him a little bit of fruit and some milk. His first snack of the day is at 9:30. He has his lunch at 11:30. His second, and then he goes in for his nap. His second snack of the day will be at 2:30, and then he has his dinner at 5:30. The reason why I have him on this specific schedule is this is the schedule that he was at when he went to daycare. He's no longer in daycare, but this is the same schedule that they have in preschools and kindergarten. So I figured might as well keep him on this exact schedule so that when he eventually starts school, it'll be a really easy transition for him as far as scheduling goes. Snack number 1, which is usually at 9:30 in the morning, I try to give him some berries. He really loves blackberries and raspberries. Another thing he really loves is raisins. This kid cannot get enough of raisins. He's just all about them. So I'll put some raisins for him. And another thing that he really loves that I'm sure has 0 nutritional value, but he just loves them so much, so I always give him some goldfish. Yes, I know he sees the goldfish, so he's very excited about it. And this will be snack number 1 for the day with some water. I like to prepare his stuff in the morning because it just makes my life easier, especially if he's really hungry. I don't have to make him wait while I prepare. So I love using this lunch box. Yes, my love. It's a Planet box, and we're actually going to be doing a giveaway of a Planet box for this video, so stay tuned till the end. And so what I have for him for lunch today is some sliced turkey. He loves turkey. I have his favorite brioche bread from Trader Joe's. We have a stick of cheese. We have some edamame. He loves edamame, and he loves strawberries. So I try to do carbs, protein, dairy, veggies, and fruit. And of course he won't eat everything on this plate, but it's okay because that's what I'm here for, to help him finish it. So for his afternoon snack, which is at about 2:30, I like to make him a smoothie, and in his smoothie I'll put some coconut water, some spinach, just like a small handful of spinach. I'll slice up some fresh apples, some probiotic, and I use the Culturelle Kids one, but depending on how old your child is, I would suggest asking your pediatrician what's the right probiotic for you guys. And then what I do is I pre-plan I have these pre-made Ziploc bags full of fruit that I already put together, and I try to do this like once a week for the whole week. And inside of these is it's a frozen banana, it's some berries, it is mangoes, peaches, strawberries, and that's it. And I'll add a little bit of chia seeds to this, or flaxseed.
Say it again.
And I'll add a little bit of flaxseed, just a tiny bit. And I'll put this on the blender, and this will be his afternoon smoothie. I love these take and toss cups. They're really great. I got them from Amazon. And I put all of his smoothies in here, and I got the one with the top that has like a little straw. He feels like a big little boy. And of course, there's a lot of smoothie left over, so Mom gets some too. I don't mind having kids probiotics. For dinner, I like to give him something heavy, whether it's like a pasta or some rice with chicken, couscous with salmon, something that's really gonna hold him over for the entire night, because he'll typically have his dinner at about 5:30, and it'll meant to keep him over, like I said, for the whole night. And I will give it to him with some milk. I give him milk with every big meal, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner he'll have milk, and he has water with every other with all of his snacks, and just during the day I'll try to give him some water if possible. But he loves his pasta, and we always start with a fork, but he just loves to eat with his hands, and there's nothing I can do about it, right? So that's all the things that Sebastian has during the day. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you think that there's a snack that you would love, please leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. As far as the giveaway goes, our friends at Planet Box are going to be giving away one of these amazing lunch boxes. So in order to qualify for the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to our channel, you need to leave a comment below, and you have to like our video. I'll see you guys next time.